Welcome to the Glideware installation video. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, bubble level, tape measure, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts. A 4-inch wide, non-soft close unit contains a Glideware unit, mounting bracket, adjustable hooks, and a screw pack with 1 1/4 inch screws. A 6-inch wide unit with soft close contains a wider Glideware unit, a mounting bracket to accommodate the wider unit, longer adjustable hooks, and an identical screw pack with 1 1/4 inch screws. Glideware comes with multiple depths. Your unit may vary slightly. To begin, measure the width of the cabinet opening. Find its center and make a light pencil mark at the top of the face frame. Next, start from the cabinet floor behind the face frame and measure to the bottom edge of the upper face frame. Transfer that dimension to the back wall. From that point, measure 2 1/4 inches down and mark. Find the center of the back wall and mark where the lines intersect. Locate the center of the bottom portion of the mounting bracket. Align it with the intersected mark. Ensure the mounting bracket is level. Lightly trace a line underneath the bracket. Pre-drill both holes with the 3/32 inch bit, using the mounting bracket as a template. Preset the provided screws through the mounting bracket so they stick out the back. This will help ensure the screws line up directly over the pre-drilled holes, secure to the cabinet. Make a center mark on the front of the Glideware unit. Position the unit into the mounting bracket and line it up with the center of the cabinet. Pre-drill the 2 holes with the 3/32 inch bit. Next, secure the screws. Do not over-tighten. This could split the wood. Set your hooks through the top of the unit. Each hook can be positioned to face multiple directions. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.